Hello everybody, my name is Thomas and welcome back to Thomas's Tutoring. In the previous video we did the beginner level of money and now we're straight into the intermediate level. So basically what this is just more problems, a bit trickier, and well, let's get cracking. So our first problem is, for every 2 meters of copper pipe that you buy, you get 1 meter of copper pipe free, and copper pipe costs £1.20 per meter. How much does 60 meters of pipe cost? I'll give you 20 seconds for this one because it is a bit more challenging. And it has started. Okay, that was 20 seconds. So the way you have to do it is 20 times £1.20. So how did I get 20? So if you add the 2 meters and the 1 meter, you get 3 meters. However, it only costs you 2. So basically, it's 3 for 2. That's what you could say. So that means you're only paying £2.40 for every 3 meters. So that means £2.40 times 5 goes 12. So, so 20 of these. Actually, I've lost myself here. So basically, what you've got to do is 3 meters for £1.20 for £2.40, 15 meters for £12, £75 for 60 meters of pipe. Don't know where I got 24 from. So another exchange rates, but it's a bit more short and it's asking directly, and also there is no fee for switching over your currency. 15 seconds for this is kind of straightforward. Okay then, if a pound is 99 rupees, how many rupees is 17 pounds? So the easiest way you've got to do it is a simple multiplication. Long multiplication, short multiplication, it doesn't really matter. So 17 times 99. We can do this column method. So 7 99s, or you might do it 9 17s. I do it 7 99s, and that gets you to 693, which is also, actually don't worry about that, and then 10 times 99, because it is a 10, it's not just a 1, is 990. That one's kind of obvious. You add them together, 1683. There. So moving on to our third exercise. A weekly train pass costs you £7 every week. A monthly train pass costs £30. So that means, so basically saying every week you have to pay £7 for travel on the trains. A monthly train pass costs £30, so every month you pay £30. However, on the 1st of January, you can pay a yearly train pass, which costs you £350. Which option will save you the most money yearly if you have to use the train every weekday? So, we have to do multiplication for this, and your time starts now. I'm giving you a hint in what you have to do. And that was your time. So, 7 times 52, because 52 weeks in a year. If you didn't know that. So, £364. That's kind of not surprising. You can sort of figure that out from like how many days are in a year. So roughly 366. Or call it 365 because that's 3 years to 4. And then 30 times 12, 360. And we can tell that 350 is only going to be 350. So therefore, a yearly train pass will be the cheapest. At first glance, a weekly train pass costs the cheapest. However, if you actually solve it out like this, you will find that a yearly train pass is the cheapest and will save you the most money. Now, what would you do if they asks you to say, like, say this was 3A and 3B was, how much money would you save in 3 years if you used the cheapest method? Okay, I want you to have a go at that. If you don't remember the question, you can go back a bit. 20 seconds for this, you're 5 seconds in. Okay, that's 20 seconds in on the dot. If you're still not sure, you can pause it, or if you're still figuring out, you can pause it. So basically, it's saying over 3 years. So we know that we can save £14 here. But over 3 years, that's going to be saving 14 times 3. 14 times 3, £52. You can save £52 in 3 years. That's kind of nice. You can buy some like clothes with that or something, or a nice book series, which you should be doing because you should be reading. So Eden saves £2.80, full stop there. He shares it equally between his 6 friends and himself. Then they all receive 5 times the amount they were given by Eden from the parents. How much money do they all get combined? So Eden's a very generous person. You need to do some division and multiplication in this one. 15 seconds start now. Okay, that was 17 seconds, nearly 18. So basically what you have to do is you have to do 40p, because that's what they each get, times by 5. And then they add on the 40p they got from Eden, or that Eden saved himself. So that's 240p. There are 7 people there, so you have to times £2.40 by 7. Now, multiplying with decimals isn't exactly nice, so we'll convert it to pence. That'll get you to 1,680 pence. And normally you should put your answer in a standard form of pounds and pence. £16, 16.80 pounds. If you put £16 and then left a space and then 80p, I'll allow it, but next time try and use this way of it, because that's the standard form. Exercise 5. £70 was shared equally between 9 boys and 5 girls. How much money did 6 boys and 1 girl get together? So, you'll have 15 seconds for this division and multiplication again. Okay, then that's 15 seconds. So basically, you have to do 9 out of 5, because that's how many people there were, is 14. 70 divided by 14, £5. 6 plus 1, 7. And then they each got £5, so you'd have to do £7. No, 7 times £5, £35. And that's your answer. Another way you could have figured it out was 9 add 5 is 14, 6 add 1 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is, 14 over 7 is 1/2, so it's a half of 70. It's a more complicated way, but it gets you to your answer quicker. Yeah, that's all I've done for this video. Again, make sure to read the question properly. Like for this question, make sure you don't do what you think. make sure you work out the problem itself. If you get it wrong, then it can cost you 2-3 marks, and that can be the difference between getting into the school you want. Or if you're just doing this to learn things and you're not going to take the 11 first, it could be the difference in like one of your GCSEs or things, or your SATs or something like that. But yeah, that's all I've prepared for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, and if you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any requests or any questions. If you want to clarify something with me, I'll be more than happy to answer that question. So, until the next video, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.